Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple gift card with Google Pay. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into a third-party website, and this is eGifter. There are a few websites that do exactly the same thing. It kind of bridges the gap between what you can't do directly with an Apple gift card or any gift card for that matter. So we're on eGifter, and all you need to do is look for the search bar over here. You'll see you can then just dial in Apple, and you'll see some search results right at the top. You can see there are some promos, but as you go down, you'll see Apple gift card. You can go ahead and click on this. Now you can go and change the amount that you would like to purchase as a gift card, and you're going to go down here and you can click on add to cart. Now once you've clicked on add to cart, you'll see up at the top right hand side, this is your cart. So you can go and click on this, and once you arrive in your cart, you'll see this is your Apple gift card, and then you can click on proceed to checkout. You can just say got it, make sure that you read through that. And then in your checkout, you can see what is due for your gift card. And you can see down over here, there is Google Pay. You can go ahead and click on this. And what will happen is you will purchase your Apple gift card with Google Pay. I hope this was helpful.